share your screen. Open a new editor. Don't click it more than once, so you now have to you have several. Or you close all the extra that you click. Whenever you click something,
No, I will
just
not
cross
close
like
the extras. I don't
close
want to
the
close
extras,
the
please.
extras because what
It
if
gives you an
I made a mistake in one that cannot be cleared? What if, like, let's say I made a mistake in one that cannot be cleared? I do not need to open a new editor again. I can just go to my extra. Hello? Am I back?
okay.
Hello?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Right. So what were we talking about last week on the last class? Do you remember?
I think
We think it was what?
it
Hmm?
was within string methods. It's saying my
String method.
internet string methods. It's saying my internet
String method.
connection. Yes, it's saying my internet connection is not stable.
I can still hear you, so let's just manage it.
Bef-
So
Mr. Charles,
it was string method
okay,
per se.
because before I've been using my dad's hotspot.
So as I was saying, it wasn't really string method as much as it was list method. Okay. So yes, you can have a list of strings, you can have a list of integers, you understand? And we said another name for list is arrays. So what you call in JavaScript, that's what Python calls
Yeah.
list. Look at sort method, right? You can sort as in
Look at
in you
Mr. Charles, your
know
voice is cracking.
things like
Your voice is cracking.
I said we've looked at
Mr.
sort
Charles, your
method,
voice
sort
is
SORT.
cracking.
Isn't it?
Okay.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I
Hmm?
can hear you
Good.
now.
So I said that we talked about the sort method, about the sort method. So we now said that we want to look at the different methods uh, um, in the next class, which is called the copy method. Then I asked you a
Tomorrow.
question. If you wanted to copy one list to another list, well, how would you do it? Now you could
I
not give
said
me an
I'll,
answer, but I said that
I said
said what?
when you asked me that question, when you asked me that question, I said that I'll control C that list. Then when I get to that other list, I'll control this. That was my answer
Uh-huh.
last time.
And I said that that's not what I meant. I said that I
Yes.
wanted you to do it using your. You remember when I
Copy
said
method.
that?
Yes.
Yes, using the copy. But now, let us see some possible ways somebody would have thought of doing it using their code. Okay? So, this is a possibility. I said create any list for me. So, go ahead and do that now. Just create a list for me now.
vehicles. In Python, you have to be very creative.
Okay. It's a very creative language, just Python. Where is
What?
your square bracket now? Do you create this thing like that without square bracket?
No.
Mm-hmm. Hmm? What are you doing? You've not put those ones in their own quotation mark. Doesn't have to be too. I think one more is okay.
I've seen a Ferrari. I'm not sure about a Bugatti and Lamborghini. I've seen a Chevrolet Mustang.
No, you don't have Chevrolet. You have Ford.
No, I said I've seen a Chevrolet.
Okay. Okay. Close this thing now. Close the.
I mistakenly hit enter.
No, it's okay. We have created the list.
Thank
Now,
God.
pretend that you want to copy the content of this into another list. And now, this is what most people will do in their code. So, create another color. Just write, type another name there, like new list, and then put assignment operator after that. New list.
Hey!
Spaces, no spaces, please. New list. Okay. Put your assignment operator. Okay, good. Now, on the right hand side, I want you to say vehicle. Just put vehicle. So, you know how you usually do. You can copy the content of one variable into another. Uh-huh. Let's see whether this will work for list. Now, the idea is that you now have two different. If this was two variables, right? What are you doing again? Which one? What did you type after vehicle? No, don't type another thing. So the idea is that what you have just done now will create two lists, and you'll be thinking vehicles and new lists are two different lists, isn't it? Just like have two variables, right? If you have two variables, that's how to look. Doing
Yeah!
this will what is it?
Nothing.
So if you had done this for variables, it would have created this. What you just did, create two different variables with what the same content. But when you do something to the
Text.
other variable and do, it will not affect the original one. So now let us see if that's what will happen. I want you to add an object to a new list. Then we're going to print vehicles and print new lists and see if they're the same thing. So if they are different, right? Whatever you do to new list should, all right. Am I right?
Hmm?
Ugo, are you paying attention at all?
What do you say?
You are sleeping on me, Abby.
No, my tummy is hurting.
Ah, what
And I
exactly do you want
just
us to do
finished
now?
pooing. I just finished pooing.
Go and drink some water and drink.
Can I drink water? I'll
Go and
still be
drink
able
water.
to hear
Go and
you
find
with my
water.
headphones.
No, about go and drink water and come back.
The water is right next to me.
Are you done drinking? Because I don't want any water to spill on the keyboard.
Done. Excuse me.
And hello, Ugo, do you feel better now?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, thank God. So what I was saying is this: if you add something to new list, right? If new list was different from vehicle
Uh-huh.
based on this copy of supposed copy operation, then that new thing
Mr. Charles,
to
your voice is cracking.
new list should not reflect in vehicles. Can you hear me now?
Mr. Charles, your voice
Huh?
was cracking. Your voice was cracking.
You hear me better? Yes. Can you hear me better now?
Yes.
Okay, just pay attention. You hear me? I said, if this was a successful copy operation, a copy of something creates another version of that thing, isn't it? If I photocopy a piece of paper and
Yes.
I tear the copy of that piece of paper, did you notice that tearing the copy should not affect the original copy?
No,
Did you,
it won't.
did you see? So if this thing actually a copy operation, then if I add something to new list, it should not affect vehicles. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Let us go ahead and add something to the new list. Then we will print both new list and vehicles and see if anything was affected. So you know how to add something to a list, right?
Yes.
Go ahead and ask what method will you use to add something to the list.
How?
Huh? What are you doing? I said, what method will you use to add something to a new list? And you are deleting vehicles. Did I ask you to delete vehicles?
No.
What method will you call on?
Call.
Go to a new line. Go to a new line quickly.
Jesus.
What did you What did you do now, Ugo?
I mistakenly deleted it. Closed it.
Please quickly type something, create a new list for me and go to the next line. And don't put too many things in it. Your screen is not much sharing. I can't see anything. It's okay. Don't put too many. Fine. Please, after that one, just close it. No. Uh-huh. Okay, next line. Then I think you said new list, right? Yeah. Uh-huh. You are assignment operator, vehicles, careful with the spelling. Okay. Hit enter. Then I said, what method? We want to test if new lists and vehicles are two different lists. No, it cannot be sort. You don't use sort to copy, to add an element to a new list, to a list. Have you forgotten your method? What method do you use to add an element to a list? Ah, you're still typing copy for me. Or I use append. So call append on new list. Then we are going to print both new lists and vehicles to see if they are different. Uh-huh. So if this actually works, right, we are expecting that only the changes, this append, the only thing, what will happen is that vehicles will not have this thing that you are appending. So go ahead and append something to new list. Let's add the new vehicle that is not there quickly. You can append Toyota or Tesla, but don't forget your quotation mark. Don't forget your quotation mark. I don't know why you put that space in front. Please close up that space between the D in append. It's only one you can append at a time. You don't append two, please. I remove that command. Yeah. Okay. All right. So it's okay now. Just bend it. Oh yeah, hit enter after everything.
You sound tired
Okay.
or stressed.
Me? No, I'm
Mm-hmm.
okay. Maybe a bit tired. Yes. All right. So do the print. Print call print on new list. Call print on vehicles. If they are different, then that means the copy operation, the supposed copy operation works. If not, that means that copy did not work, and it is just a mirror of the old one. Uh-huh.
Enter.
Okay. Yes, enter. Okay, so you've added Bentley to new list, right? Oh yeah, print vehicles.
Yes.
Let's see if vehicles is still what it was. Okay. What did you notice?
No. That Bentley.
So what do you think? What do you think is happening here? What do you think is the problem here? Can you tell me what the problem is? So let me just
Beginning
explain
of
because of time.
record.
Copy operation using the way that you do it for variables does not work for list. So let's now call the correct method. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. So do new list again. We're going to do it correctly this time. Do your new list, and then be careful. You've not spelled new list correctly. Then assignment operator, and then vehicles dot copy.
Copy.
You've forgotten about IntelliSense.
Huh?
I told you to always do your best to make use of the IntelliSense. That means just tap the dot and
Oh
wait
yeah.
and all
Oh
the
yeah.
methods. Uh-huh. Let's see. Can you see that?
Copy.
Uh-huh.
Copy. 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 Copy.
Okay.
Copy. 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 Cool.
Enter.
Huh? I
Hit
need to
enter.
drink water again.
Google. Oh yeah, hit enter first. Then done.
I'm done.
Now add something. Add something to new list. Let's see. Add something to new list. Maybe add Volkswagen this time or Mercedes.
What about Mercedes Benz?
I don't know. Dot append. Then put your message in quotation mark. Don't forget quotation mark.
No, not BMW. I'm looking for a supercar.
Is it not messages that you just said now?
Yeah.
Where are your quotation mark?
What I'm
Okay,
gonna
good.
put up.
Hit enter.
Print new list.
Okay. Yes, let's print new list. Okay. So
We
it
added
added messages.
Mercedes after Bentley.
Good. Now print vehicles. Let's see. You remember that Bentley was already in vehicles, so there's no problem about Bentley. Let's check whether it added messages also to vehicles.
It didn't.
What did you know? It didn't. So what does that tell you? New list is
It
a
was done
different
with
set.
correct method.
Yes, we did the correct method. Now let's see another way of copying, because there are more than one way to do it in Python. So let's look at the second way. Do you still do you still have your notebook at all? Hmm?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let
You're
me
not.
compile it.
You have 2 minutes to find. After 2 minutes, make sure you are back here,
Okay.
and make sure that you get a writing material that works. So
Okay.
the time has started counting. Now. It's 1:26 now.
No. No. New notes. You know how to identify my new notes because I wrote new notes all over it. Yep, found it.
Okay.
But it's all torn up.
So so so
Completely.
right. Let's finish all the
Now
practical
I'm
first.
going to look for the material.
What
Now I'm going to look
material?
for the material.
The Bible.
The writing material. Yes.
You have a minute to find that one.
A minute. That would be easy. That's more than enough time.
It's more than enough. Okay. Thank God for that.
Okay. It might no more be more than it's
Mm-hmm.
no more than enough though.
It's already
Okay.
past 1
Okay.
minute as we're talking.
Coming back. I'm coming back.
But you're not back yet. Are you back on your computer now?
Yes. I'm going to type a space now. And plus N. Now you see that I'm back.
Okay. Please don't just keep your computer plugged in now. Don't go and disconnect it. Alright, now we're going to see another way of doing a copy. So for the benefit of our class,
Time.
we're going to use another variable like new list one.
I think so. Which one will be faster? Sticking to this variable or a new variable?
Let's do
Today is Saturday what?
let's do a new variable. Let's do a new variable. Don't worry, you write all those things when you want to write the note now. Let's do a new variable. So you can call it new list one or something.
Okay.
New list one.
But what's the topic? Copy methods.
Copy method. Oh, so call it, just say list methods. Then in bracket,
I
copy
already
method.
started writing
You don't have
copy.
to anyone you want. Write copy method. Then
I could.
somewhere draw a line and just
I
beside
should
it
do
and just
copy
put list
method
method.
brackets, then list methods.
Yes. Have you
Yes, I've done that.
okay, please have to do code. So create a new, just call it new list one.
Yes, mom. Miss Archer, I'm coming. Yes, mom. Mom.
Okay. All right. So remember what you are typing, new list. Okay. So we now want to see the second way to achieve the copy method, right? So do your assignment operator again. Okay. So you do you remember, hold on, yes, you can put vehicles. I'll tell you what to do next. Do you remember all those int function, string str function, float function? Do you remember?
All those
Int function,
things.
str function, float function. Do you remember them?
I think so. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Do you remember that they only make a copy of what you send into them? Do you remember?
Do I remember?
That they only make a copy of anything that you give them between their parentheses. They only make a copy of that thing. So, for
Mhm.
instance, now, if you send in a string eh, inside int function, for instance, it will give you the version of that string, but an integer of it. You
Very
get?
true.
Do you remember? Just answer me. Do you remember
Yeah.
doing stuff like that? Hmm?
Yeah.
You don't remember. Hmm. Okay. Well, there is another function like that that does it for list. So it's called the list constructor, the list constructor function method. So no, it's not dot list. Don't worry, it's not. You will not see it there. There's nothing like that. You won't see it there. Just delete that. Delete that listing. Now go to. I did say you should delete vehicles. Oh, wow.
Not
Leave
by
the vehicles,
mistake.
but I'll not tell you what to do. Since you deleted it, just go to the front of the V and type list, list in lowercase, list in lowercase. Is that the front? What are you doing, Ugo? I said type list before the V in vehicle. Ah, what did you hear me saying? Uh-huh.
They said it's
Was it
front.
not vehicles? Put your parentheses around vehicles. I said around it. Yes. Put around the V. Don't forget. Good. So can you see that? Can
Yes.
you see that it changed the list
I
list
stream.
to the it changed it a purple
The
color,
pink.
showing you that that's like pink. It's just like print function. Did you see that?
Yes. But more lighter.
Mhm. Well,
It's like
okay,
land.
yeah,
It's like the land color.
okay,
Land.
all right. So, so can you? Yes, like the lens color, correct. So now look at that. This thing. What did he say? Built-in mutable sequence, right?
Yes.
So it will help you to create list, a copy of vehicles and create that copy with new list one. Now let us do the same thing we did with new list. Let's append something to new list one and see if it will affect vehicles. Remember how vehicles is, oh, vehicles is still ending with what? Bentley. Uh,
Bentley.
okay, so let's now go and add something to new list one quickly. On the next line, add something to list one and see if it affects new list one. Okay, dot append. Okay, what do you want to add now? Remember that that thing should be the last, yes, audio. Okay, all right.
What did you say? Mr. Chad,
No,
what
no,
did you
no.
say?
I said okay. No problem. Go ahead. Hit enter. Okay, so let's print new list one, and then we'll print vehicles and see um if there's a difference. Okay. All right. Good. So print vehicles. Let's see. Okay.
No
Did you
difference. No
notice?
Audi. No Audi. Yes. No
Exactly.
Audi.
So that means it actually did a copy for you, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's do one. Let's do another method. So this
Then after
time
that, I'm going to
there's
write.
one.
But can I start writing now?
Yes. No.
I can write
After that
now.
you write. After that you write.
Okay. Okay.
No.
New list
We'll
two.
write after everything. Yes. New list too. Yes. Okay. Put your assignment calculator. Now, this one is one that you are familiar with. Do you remember your slicing method?
Yes.
Do you remember slicing method?
Yes. I
Hmm?
don't think I.
Uh-huh. So, in this case, we're going to do something that looks like slicing method, but this time you're not going to put anything inside the square bracket. So, I put your square bracket, put a colon, and close the square bracket. We're not putting any numbers. Do that for vehicles. Don't put a space there. Just put your square bracket. No need for space. Uh-huh. I put your colon there. Close the square bracket. Yes. Hit enter. Alright. Do the same test for new. Sorry. Append something to new list too. Was that how you spelled new list? To take a look at what you spelled. So it was small letter
Yes.
L, not capital letter L.
Oh, thank God.
Can you see why you should be using your IntelliSense? If you had used IntelliSense, that append won't show because there's no list like new list too with capital letter L. It won't have shown. Can check it if you doubt it. It won't have shown if you had put capital letter L there. You won't have seen. It's showing now. But if you change that small letter L now to capital letter L, it won't show because there's no this thing like new list. Did you see that? Hmm?
Yes.
Did you notice that?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, so append something. What do you want to append this time? Which car brand do you want to append? BMW. I'm not sure that you have done BMW before. Okay, hit enter.
You know
Print
how
new
there's a
list too.
BMW.
Let's see how. No, I said I thought I did it before,
Hmm?
but I'm looking now. I didn't. Okay, okay, alright. And then let's check vehicles and see if vehicles is still the same.
It is still the same.
Right. So can you see that was a perfect copy, isn't it?
So I can start writing.
Can you see that? Okay.
Yes.
But did you understand what happened back here? Can you see that simple
Yes.
operation, the square bracket colon, have to create a copy of and created that new copy as new list too. Then when you now appended BMW to you can see and you printed it, you saw your what vehicles put inside plus the BMW, isn't it?
Yes.
And then now printed vehicles and saw that what you added to new list did not affect it. Okay,
Doesn't
so yes,
add
you can
to,
start.
didn't affect vehicles. So I should just write
So
from, I should start from here down to here.
Mm. So you must not, like you see why I usually tell you that you should not do too many vehicles. In your notebook, I'll advise that you don't write too many vehicles so that you don't spend a lot of time writing. You understand?
So I should just do from.
Just
I'm
do
just going to
just
remove
do
this.
three,
I'm
just
going
do
to
three.
remove these ones.
Which
Just
one?
3 vehicles. So I should be only doing 3
Okay.
vehicles.
Uh-huh. But you have to be careful when you are writing what will happen, right? Uh-huh. You
Okay, so I
when
should
one
just
is
put
added,
3 vehicles here.
uh, three vehicles for the first one, three vehicles. If you now add Bentley to it, the Bentley will show for both new list and vehicles, right?
It will be 4. Wait,
That's the
when
first
I get
one.
there, will you show me? When I get there,
Well,
I'll tell you.
no, that's it. Okay, fine, no problem.
I'm
All right.
starting from Ferrari, Bugatti, um,
So what you are writing now, right, is how not to copy. So I think you need to indicate that in your notes. This is the wrong way
I'll do
of
it after.
doing a copy.
I'll do it after.
Okay, chapter. Okay, this is the wrong way of doing a copy, and indicate why it is a wrong way. It is a wrong way because the copy, what we added to the
Wait,
copy,
wait,
also affected the
wait.
original.
Please wait.
All right, I'm waiting.
I'll tell you when I get
I'm
there.
waiting. I'm waiting. Okay.
Hmm. I'm on the part where I meant to write the output. So I should just do Ferrari, Bugatti, Lamborghini, and Bentley.
Yes, for two of them, right?
Yes.
Yes. Go ahead and do that. Then underneath you will say this is not how to do a copy because adding Bentley to new list also affects the original list vehicle.
Now I'm done writing the one for vehicles.
Okay, have you written that this is the wrong way to do a copy?
No.
Alright.
Wait, can you say it again?
This is not how to do a copy. This is not how to do a copy. A copy operation. This is not how to do a copy operation on the list. This is not how to do a copy operation on the list.
On the list.
On the list, vehicles. You can just vehicles, comma, vehicles, full stop.
On the list vehicle. Now.
Yes. Put a full stop.
But what about the
You now want to
because?
pause the reading now. This because this
Eh?
another sentence now after the full stop. Because
Okay.
are you writing this is because?
I only wrote because.
After a full stop, you can't just write because. You put a full stop, but starting another sentence. This is because
This is because
the changes made on new lists. The changes made on new lists. Okay. Have you written new list? Have you written up to new list?
yes.
The changes made on the changes made on new list affected the original list. Affected the original list.
Done. Affected the original
Okay.
list.
So
Full stop.
finally, you can now say a copy is supposed to be independent of the original. A copy
Should do full
is
stop.
supposed to be
I should do full. Mr.
after
Charles,
the full,
after the list, should I? After the list,
put a full
the
stop.
original list, should I
Put
put
a
full
full,
stop?
yes. Then this is the last thing you will say. Are you ready?
Yes.
The copy is supposed to be independent of the original. The copy is supposed to be independent of the original. The copy is supposed to be independent of the original.
I've written that.
Okay.
Full stop.
You can put it, you can do, this is just for fun. Put in a bracket. If you tear a photocopied paper, it does not affect the original paper. If you tear a photocopied paper, it does not affect the original paper. Then close the bracket. Let me say it again. If you tear a photocopied paper, it does not affect the original copy, the original paper. If you tear a photocopied paper, it does not affect the original paper.
Done.
Okay, good. So you can now start writing the code. So The first one you will
I'm
do,
going to
you
number
know where
them. I'm going
you
to
are. Okay,
number
go
them.
ahead. That's perfect. Yes, that's perfect. You can number them. You can number them. So I hope you remember how you said you would do it. Three vehicles only, right? Ferrari,
Uh-huh.
Bugatti, Lamborghini. Then you'll be adding, you know.
Okay, no. Gulp.
So for the first one, I think it's just Mercedes you add for new leaf. And don't forget, can
Then
make mistake
now,
add the Mercedes for vehicles because you're not adding Mercedes again since it was a perfect copy in this case.
but now I have to be adding Bentley for vehicle.
Um. Okay. Okay. Well, it's not compulsory. Okay, because of the Bentley that was added before, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
And then I'm done with it now. What's the thing I should write under it?
For which one? No, don't write anything under those ones. Those ones are okay. The reason why we had to write something under that first one was because it was not a correct way of doing a copy.
But
You understand?
but what? But the people who are reading my work, what I've written might be like. So is this one the correct way or the wrong way, or is it still the
Okay.
wrong way
You
or
can say
correct way?
this is
Wait.
this is a correct way of doing a copy. You can say this is a correct way of doing a copy.
What do you think is the biggest? Which country has the biggest pyramid in the world?
It's obvious now. Egypt.
Wrong, Mexico.
The biggest pyramid.
Yes. You'll be thinking the pyramid of Giza is the biggest. Think again. Mexico has the biggest pyramid in the world, I think. Or it should be. It should have. Hooray! You actually did 4 ways. 3 ways of correct, 1 way of wrong. So that's 4.
Okay. Yeah. Right.
If I were writing with a color pen, if I were writing with a color pen, it would be more easier because I could be able to use all these colors. There's
Okay.
pink and there's purple. Maybe if I come tomorrow, I might bring a color pen.
Do you have one?
I think so. I've had like 2 in the past. But I think I will. I'm still determined to find them. Boy, Prince. Not to add Bugatti and now I have to add Bentley and Audi.
Just Bentley and Audi, yes.
Vehicle. Vehicle.
Are you on the last one?
Nope,
Second to the last.
I'm on the second one.
Okay, that's second to
Next
the
one
last.
is new list 2. Then under it, I'll say this is another.
Another correct way of doing a coffee.
Now I'm on the last one.
Okay.
Now to be writing Ferrari, Bugatti,
Mm-hmm.
Lamborghini. Why is it that all of them have I? Ferrari, Bugatti, and Lamborghini.
They are Italian, right?
Eh? I at the end.
Maybe it's something about the Italian or something.
About what?
About them being Italian.
Okay. Or Indonesian.
I'm not sure it's Indonesian though.
But what's up? I'm just saying that because they have I.
Mm.
No. Finally, I'm on field vehicle for the last one.
Okay.
Done. Ah! Yes, Charles, I'm done.
Okay, well done. You've done a good job.
Thank you.
Okay, so um, we'll look at another method by God's grace tomorrow. Okay, you got any questions?
No.
Right then. So what time are we meeting tomorrow?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Hmm. Are you sure you'll be available at 4? This telling me, make sure that you are available. Look.
I'll try.
Don't tell me you will try. Make it happen. Is this you will try that will give you, if I try, a small excuse comes up. I now have a reason for not being able to meet up. No, I need you to tell me I will make it happen. Does that not sound better?
Perfect. Okay, yes, 4:15.
4:15. No, 4, not 4:15. Are you going to make it happen?
I am.
You didn't finish the sentence. I am what?
I am going to make it happen.
Sound sure of yourself. I need you to make it, say it confidently.
I'm going to make it happen.
Let me give you some tips on how you can do that. 3:45 like this. Start putting on your computer. Look for the internet. Make sure that it's connected to power. Fully charged. Your system fully charged. Put it on. Before 4 o'clock, your system has finished booting and everything is fine. You are ready for the class. Don't you think it's possible?
Yes.
Yes. And if you keep that feeling that you may forget, set an alarm on your phone so that even if you're not online on WhatsApp, because I will usually check you before the time, but if you're not online, you may miss my message. So set an alarm on your phone now that will ring tomorrow at 3:45 p.m. Class with
Okay,
Mr. Charles. Get it now.
let me do it now.
Okay.
I'm doing it right now because I'm on the phone right now. Oh,
Have you finished doing it?
no. What is time today? Wait,
Is there?
I should set it at 3:44, 3:45. So the time is 14.
think
My time is this thing, 12-hour clock, 24
four.
hour clock.
Okay, 6. It
Eh?
will be 6. It's 16. 16. Sorry, 15:45. 15:45.
But that could be 3:45 today.
You understand?
But that could be 3:45 today.
No, change the date.
How do you change the date?
Change the date. The date will change it from today to tomorrow.
How do you change the date?
When you are setting the alarm, ask you. It will ask you which date you want it to be. It will tell you Saturday,
Well,
Sunday. You
it's
understand that
only
kind of thing.
saying, mine is saying repeat label. Oh, every Sunday, right?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
I put it on every Sunday.
Okay. 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 That's
What about
fine.
on every Saturday? Door, back, save.
Hmm.
Yep, I put it. Yellow.
Is that another way of telling me that I'm tired and hungry?
No.
Okay. All right. So um, I may send you something to do later. Um, but let's see. Okay. So see you tomorrow then. Enjoy the rest of your Saturday. And make sure you do the homework.
I thought you said you may, not
Okay, I will
you
send you
will.
something. Sure. I will send you something.
Oh, 2 plane jets. I just saw 2 planes pass by
What's two planes? Where?
outside my window.
Two planes.
I think it was yes, or was it jet?
Okay. Are you close to the Okay. See you
Um,
tomorrow.
um,
Hmm?
see you, Mr. Charles. I think it was
Yes.
yesterday. I saw 3 helicopters. 3 helicopters
Uh-huh. I see
at the same
helicopters,
time.
but the only people who will see aeroplanes are people who are close to the airport. Ikeja specifically.
Me, I
You,
saw
as in you can be driving
helicopter, 2 planes,
and you
2 planes at
but
once.
okay, that's another possibility. But they were far away, isn't it?
They were very close. They were up, up, up.
Not very close.
They were like
Uh-huh.
like
You want to see
I
them
don't.
very close because they know they
No,
will not even be able
I'm
to.
seeing 4 helicopters.
Helicopters are a common sight around your side.
Like 4 far away. I was thinking they were birds. I was like, birds fly in zigzag. But these ones are flying straight. So I'm thinking they're helicopters.
Exactly.
Yesterday I saw 3 planes very close, so and they are this building. They are building near my house, right like 1 block in front of me. The building. Those helicopters were very close to it. The helicopters were big.
I mean, they were really close.
I was like, is it
Okay.
falling? Are they crashing?
No, 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 no.
Then why
Okay,
are
now
they
we'll see
land?
tomorrow.
Then why are they very close?
They're either
And it
taking
was
off or
free,
not.
taking off. They couldn't be taking
Hmm.
off because they were going in like from right to left. I'm standing facing my window and they were going right to left. And I think they almost hit the building. Okay, they did.
And see you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye-bye.
What should I save this thing as?
Least copy method.
List copy method.
Method. I think don't you have a place where you save all your code? I think it's on
Yes.
desktop. But
It's not on desktop.
check now.
It should be in Python. And Python is in documents. and I
Oh,
can't see
okay.
documents.
Check on the left hand side now. You see document. If you type it like that, you may not see it. There.
I've
Find some
typed it
photos.
and I've seen it. Yep.
Okay.
List
Copy
copy
method.
methods.
Yeah.
You're allowed to space, right?
Of course. This is just the name of the file, so you're allowed to see. All right. Have you clicked on save? Hello? Are you there?